Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and this is EleWebDev. EleWebDev is short for Elementor website development. This channel is dedicated to beginners and intermediates of the Elementor page builder for WordPress. Today's topic is about how to save sections and pages as templates. So let's take a look at that. So I have a page here and I've already created a header and a title and a list item, 2 pictures, and let's just say that you're going to be duplicating this type of thing over and over again. We can save the page. So we'll start with the page template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here with my pointer and I'm going to come down to the update button. And right beside the update button, there is a save options. And when we click on that, we get save as template. So we want to save the page as a template. So I'm going to click that. And it says, give your page a name. Or not page, but the template. What are you going to name your template? So I'm just going to call it, for right now, just very generic, page template. Template. Okay. And we're going to hit save. And it takes you to your library. So if you notice right up here, my templates, then there's pages, and then there's blocks. That's Elementor's. The blocks and the pages are Elementor's library, but then you have your personal library of templates here. And here are all the other pages or sections that I have saved. Now it becomes very important for you to name exactly, very descriptively, what you have saved. So I saved a page template, and so what we're going to do is we're going to go back and save a section. So like, let's say for example, this is a 3-featured section. So I'm going to right click on the handle and we have save as template. So yes, you can save sections that you want to use again. However you style them, however you design them, you can save a section as a template. So I'm going to save template and I'm going to give it a very specific name, which is 3-feature section. And we'll hit save. It'll take us back to our template library, and there we have at the top 3-feature section. All right, so I'm going to close this, and let's say for example I get to another page, I get to the place where I want to use that 3-featured section again. We're going to come down here to this folder icon, and if you hover over it, it says add template. So it's going to add a template right there. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to take us to our template library. And all we have to do is now hover over and hit insert. And it says apply the settings of this container to 99.9% of the time. Yes, that's we want it to apply. And so it'll do its thing and bang, there it is again. And my page refreshes. And so, you can, again, why save a template when you can right click, copy, come down here, right click and paste. And it does exactly the same thing. So let's go back and show you what the page looks like. So I'm going to save my page and I'm going to come back to my dashboard and I'm going to go to all pages, add new, and I'm just going to say extra page and I'll hit publish and I'll edit with Elementor so that you can see what a page template looks like. So all we have to do, we've started our new page, we can click on add template, go to the My Template section, And where is page template? There it is, page template. And it does tell you what type it is. So for example, the 3 featured section right here is a container. We have pages, we have archive templates, we have headers, single posts, and what we want is a page. So I'm going to click Insert. 99.9% of the time you want to hit Apply. And sure enough, there's our header, if it has to refresh. And I have the Pro version of Elementor. So what I did was I added a dynamic title that pulls in the title of the page and puts it right here. So every time I create a new page, and I'll do a tutorial on that, it will pull in whatever the page name is and put it there. But, and then here is our 3 featured section, and we're ready to go with the content to change the list item, to change the paragraph, to change the picture, to change the feature. So I hope that this has helped you in learning how that you can save sections and pages and use them later on.